What is up, guys? It's JB, and today we have another Saber review. It's a little bit of a different camera angle. I'm using my phone to record right now. I just don't have enough time to get out my actual camera and record a video. So today I'm going to be showing off Greg Geiger's JQ. I'm not too sure what model it is. I didn't really look it up. Again, pressed for time. But this is a JQ Saber. It's like an MHS Saber pretty much. What I did with this was the hilt was already customized. Has some light shattering on it. You guys can see on the edges of the emitter. And some weathering, scratches. It's a little bit too, the way they sanded it, or whoever sanded it, it's just like a little too shiny for my liking. So I'd actually go over this with like some aluminum black or something, but that's just me. What I did with this was rip out all the old electronics, get a V6 MHS style chassis, and give it the upgraded Pico V2. And that's pretty much what I did. So I'll show you guys the internals. The Pico V2 is the dark board, by the way, and it's standard RGB. It's royal blue, green, red. So what I like about this is the V6 chassis actually stops right there because of the lip, and it's designed that way. The way the JQ sets it up, it's not really a chassis, it's just a battery holder and, you know, a small, I guess you can call it chassis, and the speaker kind of dangles off, but it is in here, and there's a set screw there that holds the soundboard in place, so the speaker gets held in place on the old chassis thing with the pommel. So with this, everything is secured, and I even have the set screw there, so there's no rattling whatsoever. So you just need to loosen up a little bit. It's not too tight. When you put this in, you need to make sure that you are putting it like on this side right here. Make sure you don't put it on your battery, because I'll be saying goodbye. But yeah, don't put it on your battery. Common sense. Put it right here. That way your screw sets on the plastic. So here's the Pico V2. Pretty common. It's white right here because of the super glue that I used to hold the battery holder in place, the sled. So there's the Pico V2. Pretty basic, easy install. So I'm going to line it up again right here. Just like that. And give this a little tighten. Not too much, just a little bit. Again, it really doesn't need it, but just in case you don't want it to fall out while it's open, you can go ahead and do that. Just like that. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna show you guys, I mean, because this has been upgraded. And I got a message, I'm sorry about that. This has been upgraded. What was I saying? Oh, I'm sorry. This has been upgraded with the Pico V2, so it has some new features, and it actually can hold up to 16 or 15 new color profiles. Well, not new, but some of them have been added in, so now there's 15 or 16 around there. I think the motion sensitivity has been upgraded too, to be like the crystal focus, I believe. I really haven't read into it too much. I just know a little bit of facts about it. So if my sausage fingers can grab this kill key out of here, it's a little hard. There we go. So kill key, this does have deep sleep. So you press the switch illuminates, and it's a 16mm segmented green lit AV switch. And once you do that, you can When you press it again, you turn it on. So this is a very basic board, just like the other Pico, except it adds up to 4 swings and 4 clashes, I believe. And the rattling that you're hearing is the clip at the bottom, the D-ring. So that's pretty much there is to it. I'll put a blade in, that way I'll show you guys the menu and how you can change colors if you have it wired RGB with the Pico, which I always say is a good idea. So you take advantage of that feature, because might as well. It's a very, very economy board. It's like 57 bucks. So I mean, might as well take full advantage of the features. So there you go. So now I'm going to show you guys the colors, and how you do that is you have your kill key. That's inserted. You're going to hold down your switch and you're going to pull your kill key. Just keep holding it down and it'll make a sound. There you go. It takes a while. So once it beeps, you're actually able to change the color of your saber. This is a lime, so all you have to do is press the switch and it'll change to the next one. This is a yellow, orange, not orange, more like an amber. This is orange. Here's red. Oh wait, that's still an orange shade. Here's red. I forgot to mention on the beeps, the little beeps, that's when it's on a single LED, so it's not a mixed color. And you'll hear the difference, just like right there. It was a lower beep for the actual red, so you actually know. Here's purple, lighter shade of purple, an even lighter shade of purple, blue, lighter shade of blue, more of like a cyanish color. This is like a cyan. It's going through a lot of shades of colors. The camera should be able to pick up everything. Here's like a teal. Here's green, lime, one of my favorites. So one more time, that way you guys can see all the different shades. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So there's 15 colors. This is the one that we started on. So Greg is gonna choose whatever color he wants. It's a really awesome saber, really cool soundboard for the price. So it's pretty awesome. And I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna put it on actually what looks really good on camera. I kind of like this. Nah, you know what? I'm gonna keep it on yellow. I'm gonna keep it on this one. So when you have a color that you want to keep, you just hold down the button and it'll save. There you go, and then you're able to turn it on. So there you go. Here's the flash on clash. I forgot to mention it does have flash on clash. So on flash on clash, it's not really a white because you're not allowed to mix, but it mixes all of your LEDs. So if you want to have a really, really white, you're gonna have to resistor your red and your blue possibly, so you can get a white flash on clash, but then you're gonna lose a lot of brightness on your colors, everything. So this is the flash on clash. Comes off as a very, very bright purple. So Greg, this is your saber. I hope you enjoy it, man. Wait, lights off. I always forget. So it's very, very bright. Of course, on the mixed colors with these RGB sabers, it is going to be a little brighter. But on the single LED colors like red, green, and blue, it's not going to be as bright as a mixed color. So just a little note right there. Alright, Greg, that is your saber, my friend. Pleasure doing business with you, and I hope you come back to me again. Later, guys.